Microsoft Excel is dead. That's what a lot of people assume in 2025, with AI tools like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot doing everything from writing code to analyzing data. But Microsoft Excel is not at all dead. In fact, it's more powerful than ever now, especially if you're a student, job seeker, or working professional. AI tools still rely on Excel. Let's start with the biggest misconception. People think AI tools have replaced Excel. But here's the thing. Most AI tools still depend on Excel files to work with your data. Whether you're using ChatGPT to analyze something or using Copilot in Excel itself, the base format is almost always a spreadsheet. So if you don't know how to organize your data, clean it, and structure it in Excel, you won't be able to use AI effectively either. Excel isn't being replaced. It's being enhanced. Every company still uses Excel. Go on any job portal right now and search for roles in finance, marketing, HR, sales, or operations. You'll see Microsoft Excel listed under the required skills for most of them. Even small startups to Fortune 500 companies still rely on Excel for literally most of their work. It's not just about data entry. It's about being able to analyze and make decisions with data. That's where Excel shines. Fast and flexible for quick tasks. So let me wrap this up. Excel is not dead. It's not outdated. It's just evolved. In 2025, Excel is still the most easy to learn and in-demand tool across industries. You don't need to master every function. Just understanding the basics like sum, if, COUNTIF, VLOOKUP, if-error, conditional formatting tables and filters, and if you learn to use AI with all these, you will be ahead than over 90% of the people. Whether you're applying for jobs, working on projects, or just managing personal data, Excel is a skill you'll always be glad you learned. Now, I have already made a beginner's tutorial for Microsoft Excel.